These are the Fizz Flex compression foot sleeves, and they provide arch support, and they work awesome. They also come in different colors and sizes to choose from, and all you have to do is measure your feet and go by their measurements. Now, what's really nice is they have a lot of support and they provide compression. Now, they almost look identical, but what you can tell is this side is a little bit longer than this side. Your heel obviously goes here, and it is toeless design. If you get confused what side, just look inside and then you'll see this is where you're gonna put your ankle in, and the opposite side is where your toes are going to go, and there's gonna be no riding. So that's how you're gonna tell. But they work great. They're made of a breathable material, and it's machine washable as well. You wear this under your socks, and they provide all day wear. They're also moisture wicking, and they're anti-slip cuffs as well. They stay in place and they provide lots of support. You can see this band right here. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.